Yo, what's going on, guys? How you guys doing today? This is your boy Alex with you guys. Our son, little Romeo. Say hi.
Girl
Destiny.
Daisy and Destiny. Say hi, mama. Sorry, guys. Lately she's been having an attitude. So. She's in her twos, so you know. They say terrible twos come with that attitude, especially with the girls. I never knew that. Romeo was always shy.
Well, yeah, guys. I know it's been a while that we haven't uploaded a video. Sorry about that, and it's been a long time. It's been almost a year.
I would say almost a year.
Yeah, we're sorry about it. So.
I mean, we've had our situations. We've had some stuff going on. But, everything is starting to go back together now. And so we're officially going to be back with our new. Yeah, we're for sure going to, start doing, we're going to be on YouTube again. But, we got our own apartment. We'll show you guys that in our next video. But, I hope you guys enjoyed our video today. We're doing some slime with the kids, as you guys can see. We have it all out. Justin's really starting to make a mess.
Right, Miss Daisy. So what are you going to teach us today?
I'm just kidding. Okay, so I know a lot of you guys know slime and stuff like that, but for the ones that don't, like me and my kids. So we got our glue. We got our regular white glue, our clear glue, and our activator.
Okay, mi amor.
Okay, baby. Sí, mira, tienes el tuyo. We got our little bowls. We got each four, four for us. It was actually in that box, a mysterious box. It says that it comes with, you can make 48 slimes, guys. Got this at Target.
Let me see. No, show the box.
Doesn't really show it, but this is the box, guys.
The box right here.
So it includes, all the stuff that I just included, the glue and the activators, the bowls, and then the little things that we can put in, and the dye. And we have our little sticks here to mix it, our spoons, and the measuring cup. I really don't know what these are for, but I feel like it's maybe to save the slimes maybe. Not so sure, but yeah, we have that. But yeah.
So yeah, Roman. So where are you gonna make?
What color? Do you want white glue or do you want clear glue?
Hard decision, huh?
Okay, so
white
let's
glue.
check. Oh, I forgot I needed to open these. Sí, yo sé. Son también los más favoritos. Ready, Destiny? ¿Tú también quieres? Okay.
She's 50-50.
People don't know that yet. Okay.
Oh, me baby.
Ready, mamas? Ready? So.
Yay!
5 milliliters. These are small. These are gonna be small slimes, like those little regular ones that we get. That's why.
Sorry, guys. She's turning crazy. She's turning crazy.
Sí, así hazle.
Así hazle, mi amor. Wee. Is that enough glue, Daisy, for Destiny? Or you need more?
It says 5. Am I even measuring in the right freaking... I'm not even measuring.
It's gonna be a lot of fucking jump
that, baby. And luego, we need 30 milligrams of water. So I need that one.
You put out how many, dude?
5.
5?
5 milligrams of glue, but I feel like I should add a little bit more. Pues voy a poner un poquito más because Destiny's is starting to turn just like water. ¿Sí se está haciendo slime, baby?
It's almost ready, baby. Look.
Okay, aquí está el tuyo.
What color are you gonna do yours, Romeo? There is yellow, pink, blue, orange, purple.
Oh no, my spoon!
Ya no está sticky. Ah.
Destiny, ¿cuál color vas a hacer el tuyo, mi amor? Mira.
Ya está sticky.
¿Cuál?
Ah.
Yellow, purple, blue,
Okay, ya.
orange.
¿Qué cojo ya?
¿Qué vas a hacer, mi amor?
Okay.
You don't know yet. Okay.
Necesito más mix o así.
A ver, ¿cómo está? ¿Está sticky o no? ¿Puedes ya jugarlo con tu mano o no?
Here's
¿Mira,
mine.
coca, papi?
You need to put activator in yours.
Oh, girl.
Mira.
So I can start activating.
Daisy. Yeah, guys.
So what color are you gonna choose, Romeo?
Blue.
So you pick blue. Blue. Or open it.
Mami, mía.
So is there a spoon of
That's what we have también the popsicles.
Yeah.
Papi.
Oh, you
Mine
know?
isn't doing like yours. Why isn't mine coming out like yours?
So what are you doing, Romeo?
Color, guys.
So he picked blue, so he's gonna make his slime blue. It's pretty cool. Awesome. ¿Y tú, Destiny? ¿Cuál color quieres, mi amor? A ver, dime, what color quieres make your slime?
Necesito más.
¿Cuál color quieres, mamá?
Picky, yeah. ¿Quieres también blue?
What
Huh?
color is ese, Destiny?
Oh, sí, ahí.
So the same color
¿Cuál color, Destiny, es
as
ese?
Romeo's.
Mixalo, ahora sí. Ahora sí.
Dale vueltas,
Ya
mi amor.
acabé yo, guys.
Is it yours, Romeo? Dale más vueltas. Oh, do it.
¿Que ya? ¿Ya están los glitters?
Hmm?
¿Dónde te necesito? ¿Eh?
I had to start mine over, guys, because I messed up mine, but I got the kids right, so. Isn't that a plus size?
¿Qué necesito ahora?
I keep messing mine up.
How is that?
I don't know. I'm doing everything what I did to you guys.
Swear?
Ahora que necesito.
Mine came out clear. Look.
I know your guys are coming out bien.
Ahora que necesito.
Huh?
¿Qué necesito?
Oh, you can add whatever you want, like
Ya como
pesos.
lo que quieras.
Yeah.
Ya.
What is this? Is it for?
That's just
Just
like
a seed?
Yeah.
Just for the slime?
Yeah.
Ya vamos a jugar.
What a dumb question. Huh?
I'm-
Okay, I'm gonna make mine green. Green. Nice.
¿Cómo se llama?
Cool.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Cómo se llama, papi?
Sí, mi amor. Let me see pick up yours. ¿Cómo está?
Me voy a todo el mundo aquí. ¿Eso más?
No, no. Cool.
¿Te puedo jugar? ¿Es ok?
Whoa, guys. Do you want some?
I want mine red.
Red.
Because red's my favorite, guys.
Mira, Daisy.
Let me see yours, Destiny.
Mira, Daisy.
Ooh, awesome,
Mira,
baby.
Daisy, mira.
What color is it, baby? Huh?
¿Y
color?
sabe, mira, acá se coca?
What color is it, baby?
Cócalo.
Blue. ¿Quieres ponerle ojos, eyes, bebé? Okay, mira, hay que ponerle eyes. Hey, open this one. Yeah, Romeo. See how yours is
Look at
coming
that.
out. Awesome. How many eyes you have in there, Romeo? Like 6 of them. The Romeo slime parece como like una spider daisy, así toda like.
Mira mi spider. Pues parece un spider, mira. Mira un spider.
Todos squishy, así todo. Parece una spider, huh? Yeah, Destiny, here's your eyes, baby. 1 and 2. Yeah, okay, there's more, Destiny. Oh,
Mira, Destiny.
awesome.
Mira. What color is mine, Destiny?
Yeah.
Red.
Yeah, red. Good job,
Oh.
baby.
What's
Put
going
too
on,
much
Destiny?
sparkles.
What, glitter or what?
Yeah, put too much sprinkles. Look at the glitter.
What kind of glitter is that?
Purple.
Purple. Destiny.
What
Destiny.
color is this,
Mira
Destiny?
también yo, mira Daisy.
Yeah, purple.
You see yours, Romeo? Ooh, that's a crazy slime.
Woo.
Alright, take it out of the plate.
¿Quieres
Adelántala.
este o quieres este?
No, like, pick it up así. Ooh, más para arriba. Look at it. Look, guys. I call this crazy slime. Destiny, you need to add yours some glitter. Let's add green.
So I'm adding her some blue. She said she wanted blue.
No, not blue because you're not even gonna tell.
She wanted blue.
Okay, let's have blue. Blue.
I'll add a little bit and then I'll put some pink.
Pink. ¿Quieres green, Destiny? Huh? ¿Quieres green? Yeah. Okay.
I got her some pink. Okay.
Oh no.
Así. Ahora tú ponle poquito pink.
Oh my god, look
Look, she's putting some. She's putting some.
Awesome.
Good job. Okay, yeah.
Purple.
It's a lot.
Girl, you wasted it all. What are we gonna do for the next time?
Awesome.
Podemos aguardar our slime.
Yeah, huh?
Ya, por eso lo podemos
That's
poner
true.
así.
Mm.
Okay.
Can you see yours, baby? I haven't seen yours.
Mine was red, and then after like the third time, I finally got it, guys.
It took a while, huh?
Yeah, it took a while. So I mixed my red with some purple glitter, and it made like this color.
It's dark pink or what the fuck?
Yeah, it's like a dark pink. I would say like maybe like a fuchsia. I don't know. Let me know if that's right, guys. Because I mean,
Comment below.
yeah, comment down below.
Now you're gonna add a orange glitter.
Get us, Alex.
Awesome.
What color, Mama? What color is ese? What color is ese? But what color is este? Yellow.
Yellow. Awesome.
¿Tú quieres yellow?
Let me see your hands, Romeo. Oh. Está todo dirty.
Mine's more like.
Me has a green one? Me has a green?
I'm still not done with mine, guys. Still going.
What green?
Are you done with yours, Romeo?
Yep.
Let me see. Oh, cool. Can I pick it up? Those are crazy slime. What color
What color
quieres?
quieres, Destiny?
Purple. Okay, open it. It's that purple. Let me see yours, Destiny.
I'm gonna use my hand see if I can activate it that way. I mean, it's activating, but on its time.
Oh no.
Mira.
Yours is watery, this.
Yeah, hers is watery too. I don't understand why.
No, look.
And I got
If it-
on the
oh. You can have yours, baby. Mira, touch it. Hazle así. Pick it up, mira, así, mete tus manos, mira, mete tus manos. Oh no. Cool. Ah. Can you see yours, babe? Oh, babe. It looks nasty.
A bunch of costillas así. Sorry. I don't know. Mine is now activated like Romeo.
You did it 3 times already, huh?
3 freaking times, guys. And it's barely activating like como mofos. So nasty. I was gonna say something else que se miraba, pero if you're a female, you might know what I mean.
Baby, papi se me hizo agua.
You saw agua? Let me pick it up.
Babe, let me see those
no.
things.
Here.
Gracias, Maggie.
Mira, that's me. My hands are all sticky. Look, guys, I finally activated it. But now, knocks the all on my hands.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna end the video here. I hope you guys liked it. You know, if you guys did, give it a thumbs up. You, babe, you don't have anything to say? Something?
Romeo, do you want to say something?
Hey.
Say bye-bye. Peace out. You, Destiny? ¿Quién decirle? Bye-bye. Dile bye-bye.
Asústalos, asústalos. Dale así. So yeah, guys, like Alex said, look at his So yeah, like Alex said, we're gonna end it here so we can enjoy the rest of the time with the kids. Maybe make another slime. After the kids are going back to school, stay safe. Please don't talk to strangers. Remember, always call your mom or stay with a teacher. That way, nothing bad happens to you guys. There's been a lot of things out there going on, so I pray that everyone stays safe, and you know that angels are always protecting you guys, and you know, like, just, you know, this world is turning crazy, and I don't want anything to happen to anyone. But you know, just I don't know, just stay safe and take care of each other, one another, even your closest enemies. You know, like, it doesn't matter. Everyone's a human being, and everyone should be safe and protected. Because no one should die, no one should get kidnapped. You know, nothing should ever happen to anybody. I know this world is starting to get crazy, but you know, but I know us being united, everything can change. And, you know, it doesn't matter what type of race we are. We should all just stay together and stick together, because we have different type of skin color. Because we have a different type of skin color doesn't mean we should treat each other wrong. We're all the same in the inside. It's just because we have different skin colors doesn't mean anything. But yeah, like I said, take care of one another, protect one another, and love one another. That way this world can stay strong, united, and better than what we are now. I really hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day, and you know, just may God be with all of you.